Hello friends, today we are going to see the problem of development. A right circular cylinder of 65 mm diameter of base and 90 mm height is standing on its base. A hole of 45 mm diameter is drilled through it in such a way that axis of the hole is parallel to horizontal plane, perpendicular to vertical plane, and bisecting the axis of the cylinder. Draw front view, top view, and development of lateral surfaces of the cylinder. Okay, first we have to draw vertical cylinder of base diameter 65 mm and axis height 90 mm. See here, first in top view, base diameter of 65 mm, draw a circle of diameter 65 mm. After drawing the circle, put center lines, draw the center lines, horizontal center line and vertical center line. After drawing the circle of diameter 65 mm, draw projection lines. After projection lines, take the projections of circle in the front view. This is top view and this is front view. In front view, we have to take the projections of circle and we have to put the height of the cylinder as 90 mm. The height of the cylinder as 90 mm. It is put from this reference line. Take 90 mm from this reference line to upside, and by after taking the 90 mm, draw this projection line. It after drawing the height, draw this rectangle of front view. Here we completes the front view and top view of cylinder. After next condition is that a hole of 45 mm diameter is drilled through it in such a way that axis of hole is parallel to horizontal plane, perpendicular to vertical plane, and bisecting the axis of cylinder. Okay, here is condition is bisecting the axis of cylinder, therefore we have to divide this axis of cylinder. Here the height of the cylinder is 90 mm, and after dividing this axis, that is bisecting axis, it will be this distance will be 45 mm, and on 45 mm distance draw this horizontal reference line. Here we get the intersection point, and at this intersection point we have to draw the circle, that is hole of 45 mm diameter. Here take the distance in compass as 22.5 mm and put on this intersection point and draw this circle, and this is the circle, this is the circle of diameter 45 mm. This is the circle of diameter 45 mm. After that, take the dimensions of circle in top view. For taking the dimension, we can use drafter also here for taking these projections. We have used set square here. We can also use drafter. We are taking this projection of circular hole in top view, and here will be this dotted line. This is hidden part, and this hidden part will be viewed in top view. This is hidden part of this circle or hidden part of hole. It is viewed in top view. After that we have to give the names in front view as A, B, C, D, and take this name in top view. The A point will be here A and here A. After that D, B, D, B, where it intersect the profile of top view. These projection lines where intersect the profile of top view. At that intersection point we have to give the names. The C point will intersect here, therefore we have to put this name as C. After that, next step is we have to divide this circle of top view. We are dividing this circle in 12 number of equal parts. We can use set squares for dividing this circle. After practice, we can fluently use this set square. We are dividing this circle in 12 number of equal parts. Name these parts as 1, 2, 3. Here is 0.4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here is 0.10, 11 and 12. This circle is divided in 12 number of equal parts. After dividing this circle, we have to take all these points in front view. We have to take all these points in front view. The take from this, the point 1 will be on this line. This is the projection of point 1. After we have to take the projection of point 2 and 12, because single line pass through these both the points 2 and 12. We can also use drafter here for taking these projections. We are taking the projection of 2 and 12 in front view. After that, we will take the next projection of point 3 and 11. Here also single line passes through the point 3 and 11. After we have to take the projections of point 5 and 9. We are taking here projection of point 5 and 9. Take this projection by after that we have to take the projection of point 6 and 8. All this projection should be in faint lines, not dark lines. Here is projection of point 1. This is the projection of point 2 and 12. Therefore we give the name here 2, 12. This is the projection of point 3 and 11. Therefore name here 3, 11. Also name here where it cuts 3, 11. Wherever it cuts the profile of this circle, we have to give their name at the intersection point 3, 11. After 4 and 10, here will be at 4 comma 10. Here is the point 4 comma 10. After that 5 9 intersect here, point 5 9. Here also it intersect 5 9. After that point 6 8. This 6 8 does not intersect at this profile of circle. After that point 7 also does not intersect at the profile of this circle. After taking this all the projection, now we will go for development. For development, we have to draw this rectangle. Here will be the rectangle for this development. For drawing this rectangle, we have to first draw one parallel line to this axis. Here is axis of cylinder, and we have to take the parallel line to this axis. Here is a parallel line I have already drawn. After that, we have to draw the rectangle from this point to this side, right side of this object. For drawing this rectangle, we have to take the perimeter of this circle, top view circle. The formula for perimeter of circle is pi d, and pi into diameter of this circle is 65 mm, and this value comes 204.20 mm. Therefore, we have to take the distance of 204.20 mm. 204.20 mm. Here is point. Draw the line, vertical line through this point. We are drawing this line with the help of set square. We also use here drafter. This is the distance. Perimeter of circle is equal to 204.20 mm. After that, we have to divide this line into 12 number of equal parts, because we have divided this circle in 12 number of equal parts. For dividing this line, take one line at an angle to this line. This angle should not be greater than 90 degree. This angle alpha should be less than 90 degree. After taking this line, take some suitable distance in compass and put the points, 12 points, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. Name these points: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. After putting these points, we have to draw lines through these points. First point will be 12 to this corner. After that, next 11 to this line. Next projection will be from 10 0.9 from point 8, from point 7, from point 6, from point 5, from point 4, from point 3, from point 2, and at last it is from point 1. After dividing this line in 12 number of parts, we have to draw vertical lines through this all the points. The next step is draw the vertical lines. Then this rectangle will be divided in 12 number of equal parts. First, we can use set square or drafter, or also use roll and draw for this purpose. After that, we have to give the points from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and again 1. We are giving these names 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and again 1. After that, we have to put middle points. Point 1 is here, point 1 is here, 2 is here, 2 is here. After 2, there is a point A. Take the distance in the compass from 2 to A. Take the distance in the compass from 2 to A and put here. It will be given as name A. After that, point 3. At point 4, there is D, B. After point 5, and there is point C. Take the distance from point 5 to C. From 5 to C, here is point C. There, after that, point 6, point 7, point 8. There is again point 8 to C. Take this distance and put this after point 8. Here is point C. After that, 9, 10. At 10, there is point D, B. After that, point 11. After point 11, there is a point A. Take the distance from 11 to A. Put here. After point 11, there is point A. After that, point 12. And after that, point is 1. Then there is point 1. This projection line of 1 will not intersect to this circle, therefore neglect this point. 2 and 12, there is also no any intersection on this circle, therefore we also neglect these points 2 and 12. After that 311, this point intersect here. 410, this line intersect here for this profile. After that 5 9, this also intersect here. Point C also from here. 6 and 8 does not intersect to this circle, therefore neglect this. Point 7 also will not intersect to the circular profile, therefore neglect this. After that we have to take horizontal projections from this all the points wherever it intersects. Take the projection first. Take the projection from this point B. This is point B. After that, take the projection from 3 1 and 5 9. Point 3 1 and 5 9. After that, take the projection from again 3 11 and 5 9. 3 11 and 5 9. After that, last projection is from this point, that is point D. Last projection we have taken from point D. So that we have to take the points of profile. Here is point 1. There is no any intersection from this point 1. Therefore, will not be any intersecting point or profile point on this line. After that, point 2, there is no any intersection for this point 2. After that, there is point A. We have to draw the vertical line from this A for all these points. Whatever we have taken first, draw the line from this point A after that, draw the line from this point C, again from this point C, and again from this point A. Here is point A and there is point A from this. This is intersecting point of A. Put the name as A. After that, point 3, and here from this point 3, put the name here as 3, and also there is point 3 from here. Put the name here as point 3. After that, point 4 dB. This is line of point 4 dB, and here is 4 dB. Put their name as 4, D. Again here put name as 4 B. And here is line of point 5. Take the point 5 from here and 5 from here. Put the name here as 5. Again here is point 5. Therefore put the name here as point 5. Again there is point C. From there is, this is point C. This is the projection of point C. This is intersecting point of this point C. Put their name as point C. After that, there is point 6. This point is neglected because there is no any intersecting point. After that, point 7, there is also no any intersecting point for this point 7. Point 8, there is also no any intersecting point on this line 8. Where there is point C, this is C and this is C. This is intersecting point of this C. After that, there is point 9. Here is 9. This is the line of 9. Take the projection of 9 from here. Put this name as 9. Again, there is point 9. Put this name as 9. Then after next point is 10. This is the line of point 10. Take the projection from here. Give your name as 10. Also give your name as 10. Or you can also give your point P, comma, here is point D. Again, next point is 11. There is projection of 11. This is the line of 11. Here is point 11. Also here is point 11. After that, point A. Here is intersection of point A. At this point, give the name here as A. All these points can be joined with smooth curve. All the points can be joined with smooth curve. Also, we can use here French curves for joining of this all the points. And after joining these points, we have to draw this rectangle with dark lines. We are drawing this rectangle with dark line, and here we completes the problem of development. Okay, thank you.